Hello, hello, it's Molly Watson. Thank you guys for watching my DIY video. This one is super, super easy tonight. And again, something that you can do at home with things you probably find around the house because that's my kind of DIY. So I got a little miniature, smaller size pumpkin. I would recommend this size for this project. I painted it. You are going to take an old pair of tights. So I have this pair that I have not worn in forever, and they actually are the tights with like a lacy design. So what you're gonna do, take your tights here. Might take you a second. Take your scissors, pull it tight, cut. See, look how cute. Little lacy pumpkin. You know what, you can even just leave the top like that because it looks super cute still. Okay, for the finishing touch, just grab some ribbon. I already have this black satin ribbon, and we're gonna add it to the stem. So once you get the stem, just wrap it around on the top. You don't have to do that. You could even paint it if you want to, but I just feel like it kind of, makes it look nice. Little lacy pumpkin for Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest. I have a Halloween booze board up there if you're gonna get boozy and crazy this weekend. Don't forget to listen to our Q102 Halloween music to trick or treat by next Wednesday night. And also, check out my Q to Do blog. I always have lots of stuff posted up there for you to do when the weekend hits. Have a great weekend, guys. Thanks for watching.